Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. I have just finished up with this 1913 Model 64 Stanley Roadster. I am going to just use my inspection light here and just kind of give you a rundown of the car after going over with O&R. This started out as described to me by the client that he was going to take it to a car show this weekend, and just had some dust and fingerprints. We came over and looked at it quickly, and really the car was just dusty, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to use a rinseless wipe down, and just use a pump sprayer and just wash it right here in the garage. No problem. Get off the dust and fingerprints. We're actually a little bit more going on with this. The other wheel had some pretty severe staining from algae. Actually, it was a mold, and he described it as some sort of algae that had got on. I'm gonna bring you in and show you the spotting right along these spokes right in here. Let me block your view with my inspection light, but I wanted to get you down in tight. This is a beautiful machine. It, by and large, I was able to get this side perfect because it didn't have the algae on it. So some mineral spirits, got some grease and stuff, but I guess something had happened. Not really quite too sure as to exactly how, but there was some sort of mold or life plant material, and I think it kind of etched or stained into the take you inside here. Beautiful leather, all kinds of controls for the steam. I left him a floor mat so he doesn't get anything dirty on the carpet that I cleaned. And like I said, all kinds of valves and tanks everywhere, but just some beautiful, beautiful, detailed accompaniments. This horn is just amazing looking. These front headlights, just absolutely gorgeous. Oftentimes, he's explained many of these headlights, they're kind of add-ons from different years. Sometimes when they first came out, they didn't even have the headlights, so, they were added in future years. I don't know a whole lot of detail about this car. I just know that it's gorgeous. It runs on steam, and he drives it occasionally. I think this is pretty new to the collection. I had never worked on this before today. So anyway, I just want to give you kind of a brief rundown. Vacuumed the canvas top, cleaned out the interior, vacuumed, and just with a pump sprayer and some Minx microfiber towels from the rag company, I was able to, using, wet rags and just doing a very careful, kind of a Gary Dean type method with the towels, and then just buff everything. Car's absolutely beautiful. And the real kicker was that if you've made it this far with me, yeah, the car show he's going to this weekend, it's a concours car show. So I will be telling him that we'll need to plan quite a bit more time to get things concours ready. But I did get, up under the fenders, cleaned everything pretty thoroughly. Spent 4 hours on it, so pretty quick job. Not like what I would need for a concours car show. Anyway, thanks for being with me. Like, share, subscribe, do what you got to do, and enjoy making your cars beautiful. Take care. Bye.